She'll take you from A to Z and all the letters in between. You'll get a word of the day that you'll learn while you play. You'll have so much fun, just let me tell ya, when you're hanging out with Spellerella.
Oh, hey, Super Spellers! It's your girl Spellerella, and I was just decorating for something that's coming soon. Do you know a certain day that's gonna come soon? And it's kind of spooky? Yeah, Halloween! Halloween is coming soon, so I was just getting ready. Do you know what I love about Halloween? I love dressing up in costumes and going trick-or-treating. It's so much fun, and you get some candy and treats along the way. Well, I thought today I could do a little bit of trick-or-treating, but I'm missing something. What do I need to trick-or-treat? Yeah, a costume! I don't have a costume on. I was thinking I could try on some costumes, and you guys, my super spellers, could help me pick one. Does that sound like fun? Okay, great, let's do it! Super spellers, I have my first costume on. Can you guess what this is? I have some green wings. I have some green little antenna. And I have a magical wand. And I was flying into the room. Yeah, it's a fairy. It's a fairy costume. Maybe some of you super spellers are going to dress up as a fairy. I love it, and I love the color green, and I love that I have a wand because I have a wand too, and I can spell words with it. Maybe this one does some magic as well. Okay, well I love this costume, but I think I'm gonna try on some more. Okay. Arrgh! Shiver me timbers! Where's me treasure, super spellers? Can you guess what this costume is? I have a hook for a hand. I have a sword, a fake sword, of course. I have a big black beard, a hat with a skull on it, and an eye patch. Yes, I'm a pirate! How do you like my pirate costume, super spellers? Any of you kids gonna be pirates for Halloween? Well, I love this one. I think I'm gonna try on a couple more before I make my decision. Okay? Hi, super spellers! Listen to this. Can you guess what this costume is? I have funny glasses. I traded my pink glasses for these blue ones. I have a big red nose. I have a crazy rainbow wig and a big polka dot bow tie. Instead of my little pink bows for my hair, I have a big yellow one with polka dots on it. And a funny whistle. Yeah, you got it! I'm a clown! Is this a funny costume to be for Halloween? Not spooky, but kind of funny? Yeah, I love it. I love my new hay. Super spellers, I just heard the sound. Our first letter is around here somewhere. Okay, I better look around. Maybe in this ghost? These bats? Maybe on this side. Purple webs, bats, bats. What? I don't see it anywhere. Do you? In my what? In my wig? What? What? I found something! Okay. Put it in the letter collector. All right, I think I'm gonna try on one more costume. All right, we'll see if I can make a decision and pick my favorite costume. All right, let's try on one more. Can you guess what this costume is, Super Spellers? This is a pretty easy one to guess, I think. It's kind of like a triangle with some big pieces of pepperoni. Yes, of course! It's a pizza! Ooh, I think I love this pizza costume, Super Spellers. It's the 4th one I've tried on. And you know what? I think it's my favorite one because I love pizza. All right, we have our costume. Let's get ready to do some trick-or-treating. Come on. Okay, Super Spellers, I got my costume, my pizza costume that I picked, and I have my bag that I'm gonna use for trick-or-treating. Do you guys know what's gonna go in here today? Yeah, candy, I hope. Right now it's empty, so I hope I can find some. Okay, let's start trick-or-treating. Maybe we'll find some kids along the way. Let's go. Let's see if we can find anyone. It's so fun trick-or-treating. You get candy, you get to go to people's houses. Come on. Super Spellers. Some trick-or-treating kids. Come on, let's say hi to them. Hi, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, guys.
My name's Spellerella. I was just trick-or-treating. Is that what you guys are doing?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. You're a chef? What are you cooking? Super Spellers, she's cooking candy! That looks delicious. And let me see. Super Spellers, do you know what costume this is? I'll give you a hint. It's a type of fruit. Tell them.
A pineapple.
She's a pineapple. How are you doing? Did you get some candy?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love your costumes, you guys. You look great. Well, have fun trick-or-treating. Hope you get some more candy. Okay, bye guys. Come on, let's see if we can find some more. See all the leaves on the ground because it's fall. Halloween is in the season of fall. Let's see. Oh, I see some Super Spellers. Let's go talk to them. Hi guys.
Hi.
We just saw some trick-or-treaters. Are you guys doing that?
Yeah.
Oh, happy Halloween. I love your costumes. Okay, you have to tell me what your costume is.
Mine is a cheetah.
A cheetah, the animal, of course. With the spots on. Whoa, the super fast animal. And let me see. Do you guys think you know what he is dressed up as? I'll give you a hint. You sometimes see them in a field of corn where you don't want any birds or crows. Yeah, a scarecrow! Isn't his costume so cool? Wow, I love... Super Spellers, I just heard the sound. That means there's a letter around. What? There's a letter around here somewhere. Okay, can you guys help me look? Yeah. Is it in your boxes or buckets? No. What? I don't see it anywhere. Do you? Where? His hat? Oh, there's a letter under your hat. Oh my goodness, can I get it? Yeah. It was hiding under the scarecrow's hat. This is the letter W, and it makes this sound, wuh, wuh. Okay, now it's gonna be kind of tricky. I gotta move my big piece of pizza to put it in my letter collector. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have fun and you get some more candy. Okay, happy Halloween. Bye. Let's go see who else we can find. This is so much fun. Whoa, we've already found 4 trick-or-treaters. Let's see if there's anyone else out because, Super Spellers,
My bag is still empty. Let's see if we can find some more. Come on. I gotta keep trick-or-treating. Here, son. Oh, hi, guys. Whoa, some even more different costumes. Okay, let's see if we can be like costume detectives and see what their costumes are. All right, let's look at this guy here. Do you have any ideas, Super Spellers? He has a nice hard hat and nice thick clothes to protect him. Yeah, he's a firefighter. Is that right?
Yeah.
Are you a firefighter?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's your favorite thing about being a firefighter?
Fighting fires.
Fighting fires, and you help so many people. Wow, okay, and we have another costume here. This one is kind of tricky, Super Spellers. Let's see, we have handcuffs, a walkie-talkie, a jacket, and a black hat. Oh, and black gloves. Only one black glove. What's this? Can you take that out and show us? What's in your pocket? What is that thing?
It tells you what color he is.
Oh my goodness, and different eye colors. Can you tell us what your costume is? A spy! Oh my goodness, that is so cool! And are you guys getting some candy today?
Yeah.
You are? I'm not really getting any, so I have to keep walking, but you guys are doing a good job. Well, have a super fun Halloween. Bye, trick-or-treating. See you later, guys. Bye. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Super Spellers, it's all the kids I saw trick-or-treating. Oh my goodness. Hey, I need your help. Look, my bag is empty and I've been running around doing all this trick-or-treating. I don't know what to do.
You have to go up to the door and say trick or treat.
Oh, I have to go to doors and say trick or treat. Okay, should we try it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this house. Come on, Super Spellers, let's all go together. This is so exciting. I'm gonna get some candy. Trick or treat.
There you go.
I said it, Super
There you go.
Spellers.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, we're gonna get candy. It's almost my turn.
Oh,
It's my turn, Super Spellers.
did everybody get some? Oh,
Oh, thank you.
you're welcome.
I finally got candy. This is so exciting. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Oh my
Happy
goodness. Wow. Super Spellers, I just heard the sound. That means the letter is around here somewhere. Can you guys help me find it? Okay, everyone look around here. It's gotta be here somewhere. I need it to make the word of the day.
Oh.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, the firefighter came to the rescue. Super Spellers, this is the letter I, and it makes this sound. I. Okay, I gotta put it in the letter collector. All right. Now, you guys know what I say when I found all my letters, right? Okay, you guys want to say it with me? I found all the letters. Now I spell them!
We made it, Super Spellers. We're here in the magic spell room and we're ready to do our spell. Okay, are you gonna help me? Okay, great, thanks. I always need your help. Okay, let's see what letters we got. So, the first letter we found today was the letter G. Do you remember where this one was? It was stuck in my wig when I was trying on the costumes? Yeah, G. Okay, let's find the matching potion. So we have to look at the potions and we have to find the letter G. Okay. I see it. Do you see it, Super Spellers? Here it is. Here's the letter G. Do you see there's an uppercase G and a lowercase g? Okay, let's shake some of this G into this pot. That should be good, I think. Let's put it back up. Got the G. Okay, let's see what else we found today. We also found the W while we were playing today and trying on costumes and trick-or-treating. Here's the W. We have to find the W on the shelf. Do you remember what sound it makes? W. W. Yay. Here it is. Found it. W. You see how they all match? They're all little W's there. Okay, let's pour some of this in. Oh my gosh, this one's so colorful and fun. Pour some in. Okay. Put the lid back on, of course. Don't want to lose any magic potions. And the last letter we found today was the letter I. I. Okay, let's see if we can find that one. This is pretty easy. It's just a straight line, just a line down. Here it is. Sometimes you'll see that the uppercase I's have a line at the top and at the bottom too, and sometimes they're just a straight line. Let's shake some in. All right, we got the I in there. We'll put it back on the shelf. Okay, we have our letters in. Are you ready to mix it and say the spell and get the word of the day? Me too! Okay. Got our spoon. Say it with me, super spellers. Ready? We searched left and right. We searched up and down into the pot with the letters we found. We mix and we blend till our pot is well stirred. Now our spell is complete, so let's spell a word. We did it! We got the word of the day. Okay, time to figure out what it is. So first thing we always do, we have to say the letters that are up there. Okay, let's see if we can do that part. We have a W, an I, and a G. W-I-G. Okay, what's it gonna be? Let's say the sounds that they make. W, I, G. W, I, G. Wig. A wig. Super spellers, we did it. A wig, of course. Do you remember when I was trying on all the costumes and I put wigs on? Yeah, and the letter was in the wig. Right, and that's the word of the day. Great job today, super spellers. Thank you so much for your help. You always help me so much. Thank you. You keep on spelling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey parents, thanks for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Spellerella Official. And you can contact me at info@spellerella.com.